This Dell Latitude 7400 has just 8 GB of RAM. That's not enough for today's multitasking. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to upgrade it to 32 GB. First, shut it down completely. This model doesn't need screw removal, just loosen all screws completely. They stay attached to the cover, so you won't lose any. Once all are loose, gently lift from the front corner. Let's open it up. First, disconnect the battery connector. Safety always comes first. Now, push the side clips outward to release the RAM. Gently remove both 8 GB sticks. Here's the old 8 GB RAM. This is what's been limiting your speed. And here are your new 16 GB sticks, doubling your memory instantly. Align the notch and press firmly until the clips click back into place. Take your time here. Align the notch carefully, then press down firmly on both ends, until you hear a soft click. That sound means it's seated perfectly. Reconnect the battery. Before tightening screws, place the cover back and power on. Let's test if it works. Powering on. On first boot with new RAM, it may pause for a moment, don't worry. You'll see this prompt, it just confirms the RAM change. Press Continue. This is the moment of truth. Windows is now initializing all 32 GB of your new RAM. That slow, chugging feeling you had with 8 GB, gone. Watch how smoothly it reaches the desktop, no more waiting on a sluggish system. Once we're in, we'll open Task Manager and you'll see the proof. Your Latitude is now powered by 32 GB. That's it. For more real upgrades, subscribe to this channel.